Hello there, I'm Kafi Khan and welcome to my CSS course. Let's start with what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It defines how HTML elements are to be displayed. In other words, it helps to format and add styles to HTML elements. CSS is used to design the web page layouts and how these layouts appear on different screens. This is what pure HTML looks like, and CSS can turn it into this. CSS styling follows this syntax. Let's see what these lines mean. It consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector helps to choose the HTML element. The declaration block contains all the declarations, and these declarations define certain styles. We can define multiple styles for an HTML element, as you can see here. So we've defined font style and color. So these are two declarations. Let's see what this declaration line means. First, we have this property called font size. Then we have a value which is 24 pixels. This line just means give font size 24 pixels to the selected HTML element. CSS has a lot of such properties for defining different styles like background color, element width, element height, borders, and much more. Let's talk a bit about these selectors. We can use the HTML tag name if we want to style all HTML elements with that tag. For example, in this case, all the HTML elements with paragraph tags will get a font size of 24 pixels and text color of blue. Similarly, say you wanted to give a red color to all the H3 tags, you could do something like this. Similarly, if you want to select a specific HTML element, we can use the HTML ID value. So as you can see, we've selected this HTML image element with the ID cover pic, and we've given it a width of 400 pixels and height of 400 pixels. Now say we want to style multiple HTML elements with the same style, then we can use the class property. As you can see here, we're selecting all the paragraphs with the class message, and we're giving them a color red. In the coming videos, we will learn all about CSS. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.